Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to download Instagram Reels in Telegram. So first of all, open Instagram apps and select a Reels. Now I'm select this Reels, tap on this and open to Telegram apps. Select Instagram Saver or search here to Instagram Saver. You need to just paste here the copied link and then send. Just waiting some second. Okay, click on these Reels. Hope you are enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial River channel for more video.